day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me nine heads to spool, eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 chains to cut, 9 heads to spool, 8 greasy bearings, 7 rewind sprung, 6 blades to sharpen, 5 piston rings, 4 broken blowers, 3 flat tires, 2 Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 stock orders, 10 chains to cut, 9 heads to spool, 8 greasy bearings, 7 rewind sprung, 6 blades to sharpen, 5 piston rings, 4 broken blowers, 3 flat tires, 2 Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the Gulu GT3000. Oh, it's what I've always wanted. Thank you, honey.